So a good tip to keep your semester organized is to create a document with all of the virtual classroom links and times and course titles in one document. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using Google Docs, which is a free document creation software. You could easily do this using Excel or Microsoft Word, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to do it using Google Docs. So make sure you give yourself an informative title, something like Fall 2020. And we're going to create a table. So we're going to use one column for the course title, one column for the time that you will be expected to be in the course, and you will use one more column for the link. And then, assuming you are taking 7 or 8 courses, you'll use the rows for each class. So then here you're simply going to want to put in all of the courses that you have. And then the next step is to put the time and date that each of your class is going to take place. So for example, if you have Introduction to Political Science, if it takes place on Monday from, let's say, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., put that there. And then the last step is going to put your link to the virtual classroom here. So the purpose of doing this is simply to organize your semester so that you don't have to keep switching from email to Mayo to Leia. So it'll all be in one document, and you'll be able to put all of your links here, all of the times and all of the course titles, just to organize your life and make everything a little bit more simple for you.